So what would we like to stick? Oh, I know what I wanted to do. That's right. Let me put that out. Well, it's one of the checks. What else do we have? Let's see. Let's go shopping. Let's go. Oh, this is pretty. We have a butterfly. Well, I need more background. Something back here. Let's ink it up. There's a little glue on there. It's grabbing the ink and it's making it look grungy. So we got the grunge factor going. I want to put you down there. We could put you down there. All right, let's do that. This is a Will's Cigarettes. Flowers. Flowers. All right, let's stick you down. So you can use stickers. You can use, like I said, things you cut out from children's books or just some kind of focal point of something. You just want to play. You just want to have fun. Maybe I want to do some kind of trimmeroo here. What do I got? What do I got? Let's see. Well, we got lots here. There's no shutting try here. All right, we have this. I'll put you there. Oh, that's kind of neat. How about you? You could be kind of cute up there too. Or maybe I want you here. Where do I want you? Maybe you're going to go over there. I don't know. It's just so confusing sometimes. Let's use a little bit more of that lace since I used it before, and I can show you which way. So I have two laces. I used this lace. Oh, I got this hangy piece here. Let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. I'm going to use the Scotch Create glue stick because it actually sticks fabric pretty well. Light pieces of fabric like this, no problem. Yeah, it's kind of good. Let's get it on there. There's the scissors somewhere here. Where's my cleanup crew? They didn't come in. Oh yeah, I don't have one. Oh well. Okay, there we go. Just fill that little area with thing, and maybe you want to break the border. Do something like that. Yeah, let's do that. Let's just do that for fun because we're here. All right, so I'm going to just run a bead of glue across here. A fair amount, but not too much. It's like a middle happy ground. Just sort of find your way to it. Cut that flush. You see? All right. And now it's okay if these are a little chunkier than normal because it's kind of a chunky little thing, you know, and that's kind of the feel for it. It's got a little chunkaroo going on. Am I still in the same video? I have no idea. See, I can't tell by looking at my phone. But I'll just be here with you guys talking. Okay, so now we're going over here. I like this little guy. I have this little Buddha tea bag. And maybe I want to cut the top of it in a pretty little design. Let me get my scallop scissors. Scallop scissors, okay. Yeah. And just come across the top. You might show up better on a blank page. Maybe we'll save you for a blank page. We got to do a little tuckaroo of something in there. Something. Oh, you're kind of cute. You might go in there nicely. Now you could, if you don't feel like tucking it in on the inside, which you don't have to tuck on the inside. And apparently this is a sealed thing. So there's no cut here, or here, and this is open. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly slip in here and just glue this closed. Now you could totally pocket-ify this thing by cutting openings to your stuff or your envelopes, but I just want to play with what I have on the table here. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this into a pocket. This is a nice sturdy little piece, and then I can tuck a little something into it. Yeah. All right, so let's do that. I just took an old book page, and apparently I glued it to another old book page to give it some come back here. Where are you going? Some stiffness, and then I have enough for a pocket, so I'm very happy about that. Okay, now let's grab our acorns. Got out of that one. I'm just going to put some acorns there because we need acorns for some reason. And it's fall, so that makes sense. And oh, there's a little bird. Yep, let's put a little bird on there too. Okay. Bird in black, maybe? I don't know. Black is very grounding. Whenever you use black in with your work, it's very grounding, so it's kind of nice. Okay, let's put, where do I want to put you? Here? Okay. There we go. He's just kind of hanging out there. He doesn't know what he's doing, but he's very happy to be part of the scene. And I think I'm going to Oh, what have I got here? Come here. This weird piece of paper, but it's got some words and stuff. I was wondering, I don't know, just looking at it from a bizarre angle. Wonder if I can use it as a faux frame for this, but I'd have to ink it up a little bit. Maybe this will be wacko goofy, but maybe it'll be kind of fun. So I'm just going to roll with it and do it. I don't know. We'll just see what happens. Shh. This one's a little out there. But I got to use up my scraps, you know? Hey, okay, we'll just go with it. It can't be that bad, right? It's only paper. It's junk mail. Remember, it's junk mail. So it's okay to do goofy stuff with it. Just try it, you know? If you didn't try it, you would never know. So give yourself the freedom to breathe and create. And, you know, you can always cover it over, add more things to it. You know, you're never stuck. Just remember that. Here's some tickets. Maybe I put some tickets on there? No. Maybe over here, though. Yeah, maybe like a little... I don't want to cover up the images too much. They're kind of cool, but... One there, there, maybe there. All right, okay. I'll put one ticket up there. Where's my glue stick? Where's my glue stick? Okay. All right, here we go. Getting in the glue, we're going deep. Putting it in the corner. Finger tool placement, perfect. So juxtapositioning the lilac colors there. Very nice. I think we need something like, I don't know, like black or something there. Just, I've got these pretty little flowers. I should use them. I should. Let's see. I could go like this. Yeah, why don't I do that? All right. I mean, we're really getting down to the bits. You know what I mean? This is like bit patrol. You just grab your bits. Oh, it's one of those nights. You just grab your bits and you have some fun. Let me move you over a little bit. Okay, there we go. All right, and you're in. All right. So there, I don't know. There, what do you think? Yay, nay, hit, miss? Okay, let's see what else we have here. We want to tuck something in there because we have a little pocket. I have this little cute guy. I think he's going to fit. Is he going to fit? Yeah, why don't we put you in there? This is just a little file folder. And let's ink you up. What color are we going to make you? You've got orange and purple. Well, maybe I better go with brown because what is this string? Goodness gracious, go away. It's like haunting me. I'll follow you wherever you go. All right. Well, I definitely need to stick something on the front of that and maybe something inside too. So let's see what we got. What do we got? What do we got? Okay. What do you got, Pam? I don't know. Look on your desk. Okay, we have this. Okay, that's pretty. Let's stick that there. All right. All right, let's just tear it. Tearing always looks nice. Yeah. All right, here we go. Too wide? Too wide? Too big? Yep, I'm going to go tear along the bottom. All right, here we go. Tear along the top a little bit. And we have the nice little white exposed edge. Very pretty, losing half the flower. Oh, well, too late. And we need to shave down the side. And then do we need to pop? Or is that cute? Oh, gosh, these questions in life, they're so deep. Okay, let's put some blue on there. Why not? It's here. Yeah. Very pretty. Yeah, I like the way that looks. That's going to give it a little pop-a-roo. Okay. Oh, yeah, that pops nice, huh? Yeah. All right, let's get this glue. Okay, getting glue all over the place. Of course. Down. There we go. All right, let's find some words or something on there. You got 1770. Here's something with 17. No, that's 707, but this is 1770, so maybe that's got to go on there too. Yeah, that's kind of cute. All right, let's emphasize that up a little bit. The brown. Okay. Glue it. Oh. Okay, there we go. All right, so now we have this, and that needs something. Now let's find a little something for it. Well, this has got this little purple paper here. Maybe we can stick something purple up there. Let's try that. Use up this scrap. This is like totally using up scrapperoos and junk mail. Love this. Love this. This is fun. This is super fun. For me, it's like, this is what it's all about. Just getting in there and creating stuff that was never there before. Not really going in with an idea, but just having fun. You know, just playing with what you got. I always have leftover ink on this thing, which is great. There. All right. And let's ink it up a bit. Need more ink than that. Come on. Make it look dirty. Make it look dirty. Like it's been saved for 100 years for some special reason. Somebody treasured it. Didn't want to let it go. All right. Always get the back fold because it makes it look super inky. Yeah, that looks kind of cool. All right. Okay, so we have that. Then we're going to place you in here. We want to tuck something inside it. Just a little something. What do we have? What do we have? Okay. I think I'll put you guys in here. See, these came from another freebie from my newsletter. All right. Yeah, we'll put you inside. A little special surprise. Somebody will find one day. All right, so we have that. Now I haven't inked the edges on this. Should I? Should I? Yes. I think I'll just make it some cohesiveness here. And, all right, so we're flipping the page and now we're in the center spread. Now with the center spread, you can do a lot of things. You can do like something that mirrors itself. You can just do, let's do this. Somebody very graciously gave me some phone book. And this is public information phone book, so I think it's okay to use. I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and use it. Okay, here we go. Wait, let's see. But I think this is kind of cool stuff. It's thin paper, and I don't know where all the phone books went in the world. I've been on the search for old phone books, and I never come across them. But, you know, I don't know, 10 years ago, you were falling over them. You couldn't get rid of the darn things. They'd always show up at your door, and there they were. I can't find my ruler anywhere. I have no idea where it is. It's buried here somewhere. Nope, never going to find it. Okay, we're just going to have to wing it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to fold where we think we need it to go. Wait, let's get rid of the top. Let me just cut it. I'm just going to cut it on my my thingy. Okay, my guillotine. Then I'm going to come here and find out where I want it to go. Make the mark. If I had a ruler, I would use that to tear it, but since I can't find my ruler, I'm cutting. All right, I'm back. All right, here we go. And then the last mark, I'm going to use my thumbnail to make the mark. Okay, and back over here. So that's kind of a quickie way to measure without measuring if you like to do that sort of thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue that all down. But first, I'm going to ink the edges. Okay, here we go. So Sunshine is fine. He's doing dandy. Oh, he's right here. He's sound asleep. Oh, here it is. Name. He's looking. I will try my best to do a drive-by of Sunny at the end of the video, if I remember. Okay, so let's glue this down. Here we go. My glue stick is so gluey. Can you imagine? All right. The most important thing when you're using the glue stick is get the corners, get the edges. Very important. Okay, get up there. Did I put it up high enough? Yeah, close enough. Close enough. Okay, so that's kind of cool. I like that. Okay, so now maybe we're going to do something like, we could put that on there. That'd be kind of cute. Or we could put this over here. Well, let's work out. Stay right here, Pam. Okay, but then we could put the black one. That might look that's very elegant. Yes, let's do that. All right, so I think I'm going to use Fabrifix for this because this might be a little bit of a slippery surface and I want it to have a good grab. Okay. Are you guys tea drinkers? Who's a tea drinker? Yeah, are you out there, tea drinkers? Oh, tea drinkers, unite. I love coffee too, but I do like a good cup of tea. And how about the UK crowd? We got any tea drinkers over there? Stand up and be counted. Okay, I'm just getting a piece of something. I'll be right back. I'm getting it. Oh, that's cool. Let's take that. All right, here we go. How about this? Yeah, that's kind of neat, huh? Yeah, let's do that. All right, just bed sheet with a stamp on it. And I'm going to glue that there. Okay, I'm going to use this glue stick because it will grab fabrics too pretty nicely. So, all right, here we go. I love the strings, leaving the strings in place. Now we got to get a little tuckaroo. What do we have? Let's go with something. Oh, this is so cute. I made these a while back. I just found one. It's got dried flowers in it, and I made it out of a piece of, well, this looks like a little envelope I must have gotten in something. But I just thought it was so cute. Isn't that cute? So I think that's what's going in here. Yeah, here we go. In you go. No fussing. Come on. Okay. Be quiet. Yep. It'll be all right. Are you going? Make sure I'm going in the right place. Check, Pam. Don't go in the very back. You want to go in the front. I should have cut a thumb hole. Should have cut a thumb hole. I'm going to be having this little silly. Okay, there. I'm in. It's okay. Once you get it in there, it kind of trains it, so you're okay. Yeah. All right, so we have that side done. Should we do the edges? Sure, let's do the edges. Okay. Let's do the edges all the way around. Let's actually do a different color so it'll show up a little more. Where's my pink ink? I had them. Okay, here it is. Worn lipstick. Oh, somebody else said there was another good pink. Victorian velvet, maybe? What was it? I heard it the other day, and they said, oh, this is my favorite pink. I'd never be able to live without it. Can't remember the name of it. I think it was Victorian velvet. Okay, not sure. I think I have Victorian velvet, but it's an empty ink pad pretty much. I bought it used, and I didn't. It came with no color. It was just dry. And somebody got every last little bit out of it. So good for them. All right, maybe more writing paper. So I need something that contrasts. Contrast? Yeah, that kind of looks cool. Okay, I could do that. I had grand plans for this, but I can live without that little tag thing. There we go. This is I think this is a tea-dyed piece of paper. Yep. A tea-dyed index card. Sorry. Yep. Okay. Okay. I'll make a little more brown on the edges. There we go. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, let's do that. Well, that's pretty too. What do you think? This or that? I'll go with the line so they have somewhere to write. Because they're going to just want to write pages upon pages of stories and events and, their life's tales and things like that here. I'm absolutely sure of it. I am. Grand hopes for these pieces of paper. Go out there and live large. Paper pieces. Live large. What are you going to do with you? You want to go up here? Okay. Let's just stick you down there. Let's just do it. All right. Some glue. Sticking. And believe it or not, normally I don't work this fast. I actually take more time at it, but when I'm doing a video, I always feel like I need to get through it or something. I don't know why that is, but that's kind of cute. I did that there. That'd be very cute. Maybe make it like a little tag or something. All right, so since we have it here. All right. Here they're pulling it together from both sides. There's some kind of unity going on the page. That's nice.